Ready to train a custom YOLO model from scratch? Today, we're building the core of my AI plate scanner. I'll show you the entire process, from raw data labeling to getting the final weights. It all starts with the dataset. We have a folder with photos of trucks taken at a weigh station. For labeling, I use a program called labelImg. We open the directory with our photos and immediately specify the folder where the program will automatically save the completed YOLO annotations. Ready? Let's move on to the most important and meticulous step. We take the first photo, select the license plate using a bounding box, name the class plate, and save it. The main rule here is to outline the plates as precisely as possible. The future performance of the network depends entirely on how well we show it these examples. Now for the repetitive part. We repeat this process for all the photos in our dataset. Once the labeling is finished, these kinds of text files appear in the Labels folder. They contain the coordinates of the plates for each specific image. Let's move on to the code. In the train partx.py file, I configured the parameters for YOLO training. I specified the number of epochs and the batch size to fit my GPU. And in the data.yaml file, the paths to the images and our single class, plate, are defined. Time for some magic. We open the terminal right in the project folder, enter the command to run the script, and start the training. The process has started. Depending on your GPU's power and the dataset size, this might take some time. The model analyzes the images, adjusts its weights, and gets smarter with every single epoch. Training complete. YOLO automatically created a runs folder with the results. Let's look at the metrics. This is the normalized confusion matrix, and here is the standard one. As you can see, the network perfectly distinguishes the background from the plate itself. The training graphs show a steady increase in accuracy. And on the test images, which the model is seeing for the very first time, it confidently and flawlessly finds the bounding boxes for the license plates. We go into the weights subfolder. Our main trophy is the best.pt file. This is our fully trained model. Now we integrate it into our web interface. We upload new truck photos, and boom, YOLO finds the plate, and the AI reads the text. Want to build this UI? Connect YOLO and integrate the Gemini API? I'll show you step by step in the next video. Also, I've posted a detailed, broken down text guide with all materials on my Gumroad for subscribers. Link is in the description. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.